Water is source of life. Water gives life, and the life of this place is the life of nature and nature untouched. We can think about ideas, we can think about plans. Nature finds the way and will do something that it's better. It's always better. So we do small experiments and then see what happens and then change things. My name is Pablo, aka, I'm from Argentina. Came to the US a few years ago, work in farms, work permaculture, study with different people, study with Larry Korn, that is the translator of Fukuoka. Studying permaculture, I was checking and did a little bit of work with Mark Shepard that I was interested in. By temperament and by artistry and by respect of nature, I thought Holzer was the most interesting example in the world. So we talked a little bit with them, and then I found Zach that was certified. I like his style, his speed, his intuition and connection with nature. I saw all the videos that were online, and then I did the course with Zach. And it was very, very good. The material was good, and also the office hours were amazing. What I can tell you is like the good thing about the way we work and Zach works is like you whatever is your passion in this big area, that you can follow that one. So I like working with plants, and so I find water and Zach's way and conversations and office hours and all that. You can get a lot of information in your area. I see other people interested in the excavators or the big work, which it's a big component. There's a lot of areas, and whatever is driving the person to come, it's good to follow that. The way that Zach developed his course, it will let you come with whatever is brought you this far.